Welcome to my channel, Modern Talk English.
Welcome to today's lesson, English Listening Practice, A Rainy Day. In this video, you'll join Alex, a 22-year-old smart boy, as he experiences a rainy day full of learning. You'll hear real, simple English sentences and discover new words about rain, weather, and daily life. This is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening, speaking, and vocabulary at the same time. Stay with us until the end for a quick vocabulary review and fun learning tips. If you're serious about improving your English, hit the subscribe button now, give this video a like, and share it with your friends who want to learn too. Let's start your journey to confident English speaking together right now.
Alex is a 22-year-old boy. He is very smart and loves learning English. One morning he wakes up early. The sky is dark and full of clouds. He hears the sound of rain outside. The rain makes a soft, calming sound. Alex smiles and thinks, "Today is special." He takes his notebook and pen. He writes "a rainy day" at the top of the page. He plans to learn English words about rain. Alex opens the window a little. The cool air comes inside his room. He listens to the sound of raindrops. Raindrop, he repeats softly in English. He likes saying new English words aloud. The smell of wet earth makes him happy. He writes "wet earth equals after rain smell" in his notebook. Alex enjoys learning by using real life. He feels that the rain is his teacher. Learning English feels easy this way. Alex decides to go outside. He takes his umbrella and raincoat. He walks slowly on the wet street. People are running with their umbrellas. Children are jumping in small puddles. Alex smiles and says, "Puddle" in English. He writes puddle equals small water on the ground. He listens to people talking in low voices. He tries to understand their words in English. Rainy days make everything sound softer. At the corner of the street, Alex sees a small tea shop. The shop looks warm and friendly. Steam comes out from cups of tea. He says to himself, "Steam" in English. He writes, "Steam equals hot water vapor." Alex enters the shop and sits by the window. The rain hits the glass softly. He orders tea and smiles at the waiter. The waiter greets him politely. Alex listens carefully to every word. The waiter asks, "Do you like sugar?" Alex answers, "Yes, please, a little sugar." He feels proud speaking in English. He writes, "Sugar equals sweet white powder" in his notebook. He takes a sip of the hot tea. It tastes sweet and warm. He watches people outside with umbrellas. He says, "umbrella" slowly and clearly. He imagines teaching this word to his friends. Alex feels learning English is like an adventure. While drinking tea, Alex opens his phone. He listens to an English podcast about weather. The speaker says words like rain, storm, and cloudy. Alex repeats each word after the speaker. He writes new words on a small card. He plans to practice them later. The shop is quiet and peaceful. The rain outside makes a gentle rhythm. Alex thinks learning English can be fun anywhere. He smiles and drinks more tea. After finishing his tea, Alex leaves the shop. The rain is lighter now. He walks to the park nearby. The trees are shiny with rainwater. Birds shake water off their wings. He says, "Wings" softly in English. He writes, "Wing" equals part of a bird used for flying. He sees a small bench under a tree. He sits there and watches the park. Alex feels relaxed and focused. In the park, Alex sees a woman with a dog. The dog is wearing a small raincoat. He laughs quietly and says, "Cute dog." He writes, "Cute" equals nice and lovely. He listens to the woman calling her dog. She uses simple English commands. Alex repeats them softly to learn. He feels happy about real-life practice. Rainy days make language learning exciting. The dog runs around happily in the wet grass. Alex opens his notebook again. He writes a small story about the rainy day. He writes in simple English sentences. "I am sitting in the park. It is raining." He practices writing clearly. He says each sentence aloud. This helps him improve his speaking. He feels his English getting better. The rain is like music to his ears. He smiles and keeps writing. Suddenly, the rain stops for a moment. The sun peeks through the clouds. A rainbow appears in the sky. Alex whispers, "Rainbow," slowly in English. He writes, "Rainbow equals 7 colors in the sky after rain." People in the park point at the rainbow. Children clap and laugh with joy. Alex takes a photo of it. He thinks this is the perfect learning day. He feels thankful for this rainy morning. As he walks home, Alex repeats all new words. He says raindrop, puddle, steam, umbrella, rainbow. He practices their meanings in his mind. He feels his memory becoming stronger. He believes speaking aloud helps learning. The streets are fresh after the rain. Flowers look clean and bright. He writes fresh and bright in his notebook. He smiles at his progress. Alex knows small steps make big changes. Back at home, Alex dries his umbrella. He takes off his wet shoes. He makes a warm drink for himself. He opens his English notebook again. He writes sentences with the new words. I hold an umbrella. The puddle is small. He repeats them 3 times aloud. His voice sounds confident. He is proud of his practice. Rainy days can teach many lessons. Alex decides to record his voice. He reads his rainy day story into his phone. He listens to it carefully. He checks his pronunciation of each word. He fixes small mistakes. He records again and sounds better. This makes him happy. He thinks of sharing the story online. It might help other English learners. Learning is better when shared. The rain starts again in the evening. Alex sits by the window with a book. He reads simple English stories. He underlines new words. He imagines himself teaching English someday. He feels inspired and motivated. He writes, motivated equals wanting to do something strongly. He practices saying it 3 times. The rain outside feels like a friend. He enjoys his peaceful study time. Before sleeping, Alex reviews his notebook. He smiles at the new words and sentences. He whispers them softly in the dark. Raindrop, puddle, rainbow, steam, umbrella. He feels proud of his progress today. Rainy days are no longer boring for him. They are full of English learning chances. He closes his eyes and feels relaxed. He thinks tomorrow will bring new words too. Alex falls asleep with a happy heart. 10 useful rain-related words with synonyms and examples. 1. Rainfall synonyms: precipitation, shower. Example: the rainfall in my city is very heavy in spring. 2. Drizzle synonyms: light rain, sprinkle. Example: it started to drizzle as we walked to school. 3. Downpour synonyms: heavy rain, deluge. Example: we got caught in a sudden downpour and ran for shelter. 4. Shower synonyms: short rain, sprinkle. Example: there was a quick shower this morning before the sun came out. 5. Thunderstorm synonyms: tempest, electrical storm. Example: the thunderstorm last night was very loud and scary. 6. Puddle synonyms: pool of water, small pond. Example: children love jumping in puddles after it rains. 7. Wet synonyms: damp, moist. Example: my clothes are still wet from the rain. 8. Umbrella synonyms: parasol, rainshade. Example: don't forget your umbrella, it's going to rain. 9. Rainbow synonyms: arc of colors, spectrum in the sky. Example: we saw a beautiful rainbow after the storm. 10. Raindrop synonyms: drop of rain, water drop. Example: a cold raindrop fell on my face as I looked up.